Here's a tip for displaying HTML inside your PHP. This is especially useful when you are using if statements or anything that uses a block, and when you need to do this on a condition, or you need to output a lot of HTML inside something that is working on PHP. In this example, I've got a variable name, and this is set to Alex. So if I type name equals Alex, it will echo out, "Hi Alex." If name is not equal to Alex, so we type else, we will echo out, "You're not Alex, please type your name." And we have an input field here, which should have a form around it. So form action equals index.php, method equals post, and we end the form here. We can bring this down a bit so that it looks better. So we have some HTML code inside this else block. So we type if else, and we've got a block starting here and a block ending here, and what could be a lot of HTML code. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you that you don't need to use echo and echo out HTML code. It is easier and saves time when you want to code using quotation marks rather than single inverted commas. Also, it is nicer to have a code inside the blocks, say this block here, without having to worry about what you're typing. So if you're used to quotation marks, this forward slash will escape your character. So it will be displayed, but will be ignored as the end of the echo and the beginning of this echo here. For example, let's just refresh. Since name equals Alex, it is greeting me as we saw earlier. The echo is okay for a small amount of text, but for a large amount with a form, etc., we don't want the echo. As it stands at present, it won't run. We will receive an error. We haven't provided a method of output for this text. That is on line 12. So if you go to line 12, you will see that it's here. We can rectify the problem in this way. We have our PHP opening tag here, and I'm going to end the tag down here. So we're ending the tag after the block starts. Now I will start a new tag just before the flower bracket or curly bracket here. So now we have a chunk of PHP code here and a chunk here. And the rest here is not interpreted as PHP. Since it is HTML, it will be displaced as HTML code. So what I'm going to do first is change all these to quotation marks. If you implement this method from the beginning, you could code easily and it would work a lot better. So once again, as is visible on the screen, we have a block here and a block here. It may appear as though the PHP would end here, but we haven't ended the block inside here, in this area. But we are going down here. We are not echoing out, but displaying this. This applies specifically to the else block. We end the block in the blue highlighted line here and here. So again, we'll first get "Hi Alex." Now if you change the name to, let's say, Kyle, refresh, you'll see that the HTML has been displayed properly, but it hasn't been echoed out using PHP. This is a good method to use when you want to display HTML properly and read it easily. Hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching.